my god, look at this. Check. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What was that? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I feel like I haven't been here in a while. Kind of took a week to myself. Had this palette sitting around and I was like, hello, why haven't I used her? She's beautiful. She is from Midas Cosmetics. Midas or Midas? I hope I'm pronouncing it right. It is a smaller brand than what you're used to seeing on my channel. And that's one of the things that I'm actually aiming for lately. Lately, I've been wanting to buy from smaller brands. There's so many small brands that are underestimated that are freaking bomb. And because they're not a huge brand, they don't receive the love that they should be getting. Let me show you this palette. Oh my god, look at this. Check. You guys, what? Yes, I filmed a couple of their videos today and I kind of just have my base on. So I was like, let's dabble into this and let me film it, because why not, right? I do have some brown shadow just because, like I told you guys, I was filming a little video earlier. So I'm just taking off whatever concealer I do have on my eyes. And I'm gonna prime with the P. Louise base in Blank Canvas. You guys, so I got these stickers, these nail stickers. I got it in one of my boxes and sorry, I know I can't do two things at once. So I got it in one of my boxes and they came in handy. These are stickers, nail stickers. There's some of them that, you know, I didn't do such a great job. Like definitely this hand is better than this hand, but my manicure didn't last this time and I honestly got them done back to back 2 weeks in a row and they just haven't been lasting. If you know me, I'm not crazy about gel. It kind of stunts the growth of my nails. I'm really excited because these colors all look so pigmented. This huge pimple that I've been working on. See how it's like kind of flat now? I put a little acne patch on it and it really went down. It looked like a volcano yesterday. Like, no, we're gonna go in with this beautiful color right here. And I'm using the small part of that and I'm just going to tap around. It's gonna look a little crazy, but it's all gonna come together at the end. So I'm just tapping that in, and just kind of mapping out how I want this to come out. This blue is super pigmented, wow. I love it. I don't get why small brands are so underrated, you guys, so underrated. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend that out using the Morphe M433 brush. So now I'm gonna go ahead and go in using the Morphe 514 brush and I'm gonna go into Plumera. I'm gonna go into this beautiful color right here. Try to keep that on the outside and just tap it in first and then blend it out. And I definitely need to stop and put like powder on so I do not mess up my foundation because that is me. Ain't nobody got time for that. So powder it is. I'm going into Hummingbird now, so that's the darkest blue. And I'm going to just put that in the center. And that's just going to further intensify those blues. And there's literally very little fallout. Wow, I love it. I also picked up like a eyeshadow pigment and glitter. I have no idea where it is. It would be nice to use that today. But super pigmented and so blendable. Like layering them is not a problem at all. I have the white base and this is in Rumor Base in Azero. And I'm just gonna apply that to that middle area just so that glittery can pop. Mucho, mucho. Using a small little brush. And I'm just tapping that in. I'm so hungry, so if you guys hear my stomach, I apologize in advance. I'm going to pick up just a little flat brush, go into that shade Kayla. Oh my god, you can't go in it. It's like snow almost. I'm actually going to go over this with glue as well. I actually have glitter glue from Ben 9. Maybe I'll use this. I keep forgetting that it's more like a glitter than an eyeshadow. There we go. That works. Ooh, that's pretty, right guys? Beautiful. Yes. Yes, bitch. So these are the glitters and the pigment that I actually picked up from Midas. That's not gorgeous. I'll probably do this in the inner tear though. And then the glitters are so pretty, you guys. They're freaking hearts. So I'm just using some lash glue and I'm gonna apply the glitter hearts one by one because he's so cute. Something is just yelling at me to like add some neon to this, so I think I'm gonna add this Suva Beauty neon eyeliner in Dance Party, and you know, just add a little bit of water to that. And I have a water bottle right here. What should I do for the bottom? I think I'm just gonna go ahead and apply those two lighter blues. I do have to do my whole other eye. When I do this and I do like one eye and I do the other one off camera, I get so lazy and I'm like, I don't wanna do it. Have you guys noticed, like on Instagram, so many people are just posting one eye looks? Like they'll even show their whole face with just one eye done, and I'm like, wait, can you get away with that shit now? Because if you can, I'm all for it. Sometimes I don't want to do the other eye, you know? So I'm also going to apply a little bit of that glitter to the bottom middle section. I'm just going to apply 2 of those. I don't want it to get too crazy, you know? So yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a lash and do the other eye off camera, because if not, we'll be here all day. Be right back, y'all. This is the final look using the Midas Cosmetics Flower Bomb palette, and this palette was bomb. I loved it. Check them out. The palette was very inexpensive compared to a lot of the palettes of these high-end brands. I do love high-end brands, so don't get me wrong. Quality is amazing. It's super easy to blend. The colors are pigmented. Make sure you check them out. And yeah, that is my tutorial. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm gonna go do this hair, get something to eat, because as you guys can tell, I did turn up my artificial lights, but I started this video in the day and it is now dark. So that should tell you how long we've been here. Your girl is hungry. I'm starving. I'm gonna go get something to eat, do my hair, and then take some pictures. So you'll definitely be seeing the end of this with my hair done. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, you guys.